Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really good looking nice device. This is the magnetic screen door by LELELONMON. LELELONMON. This is a flight screen door. It is possible to get this in 92 to 10 centimeters and in other sizes too. It is also available on the market with other dimensions, so you can get it what you need. We have, for example, the 84 to 206 in the dimensions. These are 90 to 210 centimeter. This is around about 92 to 206 centimeter over dimensions. Or if you choose the 94 to 206 in the dimensions, these are around about 100 to 210 centimeter. These are overall dimension are 102 to 206 centimeter. This is option number 2. And the third option is 114 to 206 the inner diameters. 120 to 220 centimeters and 122 to 216 centimeters overall dimensions. So you see, if you have a door which is not so standard, LELELONMON can handle this. It keeps fresh air in and bugs out. We have invisible magnets. We have an encrypted small mesh, and it keeps the bugs out. Of course, if we like to attach this, we clean the door frame and make sure it is dry. We lay our curtain flat on the floor with the magnets aligned. We're placing the adhesive tape along the door frame. We stick the mesh to the frame. We make sure that the center point is higher than the both point. We push the pins attached to secure into these pieces if we like, but it does not need the pins because this is without damage of the frame. Really cool. This here is a side opening insect protection balcony door protector. No drilling is required. We have 16 magnets. A fly screen balcony doors for balcony doors or sliding doors. For patio doors. For Pleated door. For side entrance doors. And. And the big thing here is we have side opening design. The new left and right opening universal fly screen balcony door is made of soft plush edges instead of the traditional Velcro loop. The Velcro fastener on the edges is double-sided, so we don't have to decide whether the fly screen door is open or left or right. But it can change freely depending on the position of the door handle. The really cool fact, LELELONMON insect screen for balcony doors are equipped with the side opening that open in the same direction like opening the door's handle, which makes operation easier, of course. The construction with less than 1 mm mesh size, with the fly screen with magnets from the LELELONMON, we can enjoy fresh air and natural light. This child and pet-friendly fly screen for balcony doors with magnets is designed to allow children and pets to come and go freely because it's so easy to get through. This fine mesh structure, 1 millimeter to 1 millimeter, acts as a barrier and effectively prevents mosquitoes, flies, bees, butterflies, and other insects from entering into the room. It protects us from the infectious disease and mosquitoes, etc. We enjoy comfortable and a pleasant summer with this door protection screen. It's a fly screen balcony door without drilling because 60 strong 5 centimeter magnets with 2 gravity building blocks on the bottom ensure that the fly screen door closes quickly and without gaps. Without drilling, it can be without regular use and wear. The insect screen doors, removable adhesive strips, knobs, leave no residue and are therefore the perfect choice for household. The light insect protection avoids strain on the door frame. The magnetic fly screen door size is 90 to 210 centimeters, for example. This fits for door frames with a width between 75 centimeters and 84 centimeters for the inner frame, and 88 centimeters and 95 centimeters for the outer frame, and the height up to 206 centimeters. Of course, we should measure before purchasing to ensure that it fits. This insect screen here is either for patches, for storm and front doors, as well as RV doors, and it has a magnetic fly screen door for convenient use. It's easy to assemble this magnetic fly screen balcony door. The fly net for balconies and so on can be installed quickly and without additional tools. We lay the door curtain on the floor, and we take out the hook surface of the Velcro and paste it into the whole surface of the Velcro itself. Then we first compare the angle and position of the installation. Then we tear off the Velcro sticker and tape it onto the door frame. And we press repeatedly to make the bonding more firm. And then we can attach it to the frame of our door. And then we have a magnetic screen door. This keeps the fresh air in and it keeps the bugs out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.